Yeah, hello everybody. How are you doing? How are you doing? I believe you're good. Yeah. So I'll be sharing one thing with us today before I jump into the analysis. And what I'll be sharing with let me share it after the analysis. Let's just jump straight into the analysis. So recently I've made up my mind to actually stick to trading just US oil alone. So recently all you'll be seeing my signal, all you'll be seeing is US oil. And why am I doing this? Is because of the recent study which I did on US oil, which make a lot of sense. It make a lot of sense. Right. So let's just dive into it and let's see what we have in here. So now US oil, last week I did some crazy flips in which some sees if you're on my Instagram page, you will see the result I shared on US oil crazy flips, right? So now this week, what am I expecting on US oil? This zone has been a very good zone. This zone, let me mark it out for you. Okay, there's no need for me to even use this one. This zone has been a very good zone on US oil. So for those who doesn't know how to find US oil on their broker, so you can use WTI, so you can use Brent, something like that, Brent. So this zone has been a very good one. Very good one, very good zone. So for me, so each time, whenever price comes to touch this point again, yeah, I'll be expecting to go long again. I'll be expecting to go long again. And before I actually, so this is what I'll be expecting. This is what I'll be expecting. Just, you know the way we used to do it, guys, like this. Price is going to go up. So Monday morning, what am I expecting for Monday morning? Let me show you what I'm expecting for Monday morning. When you go to 15 minutes, you will see something like this, right? You see something like this. It's possible for us to have price flash, break this point here, gain short. Something like this will start happening. Like this will start happening. When we touch this point, then boom, to the upside. So that is what I'm expecting. So yeah. So now you see what are the confluences I will be seeing here that will be making me to go long? Yeah. So number one, psychological level. We all know psychological level, right? Psychological level are round up numbers in which big boys, people that are having more money in the market, pay attention to. This is psychological level. So um yeah. So now according to this pair now, how do I get the psychological level? The round-up number we're having here is 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, like that. That's how we keep having the psychological level. And the differences between them is 100 pips. 100 pips. That's the difference between them. 100 pips. That's it. The difference between them is 100 pips. So we have sub-psychological level. Sub-psychological level are areas like, let me just say, if this is 88, we have 88.5 or 87.5, then 87, 86.5, then 86, something like that. Those ones are sub-psychological level, okay? But one thing is I really love to trade around being psychological level. So that's what we'll be looking for here, around this point here. Once price come to touch the psychological level, we shoot our shot. We shoot our shot. We shoot our shot. That's on US oil. Buy on US oil. Let's do GBPUSD. GBPUSD has been long I visited this space. It's been very, very long. Let's see what the pair is having for us. Let's remove drawings. Okay. So let's go to daily time frame. Let's start with daily time frame first. Hey, see this bearish candlestick. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. According to what I'm seeing here, according to what I'm seeing here, see, everybody here must learn how to interpret chart. Must learn how to interpret chart. It's going to help you a lot. So now look at this here. We have a trend line here. No lies. This is a trend line here. But as a trader, trend line is just a guide to trade a trend. Trend line should not be the main reason why you are looking to short or buy. What should be the main reason is market structure. And this is going to help you a lot. So I won't be using trend now, I'll be using structure. So actually to demystify this trend. Okay, so let's go to a lower time frame where we'll be having the structure in a bigger picture. Okay, beautiful. So now what I'm seeing here now is I'm seeing this as a high. I'm seeing this point as a high, and I'm seeing this point as a low. So now this is the major structures. These are the major structure we have in here. Major structure. The major high, the major low. Right? So this point here is a what? This point here is a major high. Then this point here is a major low. Are you with me? So now, if this is impulsive, correctional, impulsive, so the impulsive is even up to this point here. Correctional. What is this? This is impulsive. This is impulsive, right? This is impulsive. So now, I want us to study the price movement that happened here. That happened here. To predict the next move. To predict the next move of market here. As a good technical analysis in which you must be very observant of price action and price reaction on every phase of the trend. What do you notice around this point here? Notice that when price was impulsive here, when it broke out of this, gave a little bit of correctional, then price went down. Look at this. Price was impulsive, which is the same thing as what price did here. Then when price broke this point, a bit of correctional, just like we have it here. Let me show us. Some people are not seeing that. Let me show us. Some people are not seeing that. I'm coming. Let me show us that. Let me use my brush. Look at this impulsive. The impulsive that happened here, from this point here to this point here, is the exact same thing that happened here. From this point here to this point here. After the break of this point, what happened? There was a little bit of what? Of correctional. Same thing here. A little bit of what? Correctional. Then price what? Price dropped. So now, starting from this point here, what you should be looking to do now is what? Is you should be looking for correctionals. What you should be looking to do is correctional. Looking for correctionals. Correctional to the upside. Correctional to the upside. Correctional to the upside. Correctional to the upside. Then a tank. That is what you should be looking to do on GBP/USD. Or you don't trade GBP/USD this week. Now, advice, so don't trade GBP/USD this week. Wait for price to retrace back to, let me just say, maybe 50% level or 61.8% level or 50%, majorly 50% level, yeah. 50% level or above 50% level. Then look to short. We might say correctional will start here. It should not, and it should keep tanking. We've seen price behave like that, right? So it can keep tanking. So you don't want to just put yourself in a trap that does not make sense. Or let me try something. Let me see something if there is a way we can measure this. I'm coming. If this is going to help, I'm coming. Okay, yeah. I think the correction has to start. I think if the correctional will start, it should start from here. So that's just my own view on Euro USD, on GBP/USD. So let's touch Nasdaq. Let's touch Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Let's touch Nasdaq. That's US 100, right? That's US 100. That's US 100. So okay. US 100 has been ranging. Let's remove drawing. That anytime you see a market like this, and in fact, for me, I'll tell you, don't analyze. This price is telling you no way. Allow this market to start trending again. And when will this market start trending again? Now, to save time, let me just mark the recent structure for you. So we have this impulsive. This is the low. This is impulsive here. The impulsive we have here. The impulsive we have here. And this is the low. So a manipulation, this is the manipulation. This manipulation gave a new low. And what? And this is a what? This is what? This is the high, right? This is the high. This is the high. So now, which means we are within this low and this high. All of the thing that is happening here is within this low and this high. So for me, if I'm to do anything here, rather than look for sales, I'll be looking for more buys. Though I won't be trading this market, right? I won't be trading because this market is ranging. It's not trending, right? It's ranging, it's not trending. So now I'll be looking for more buys here. Because what is more sure here is buys. Because this market is on an uptrend and the structures are clearly screaming uptrend. So you don't want to do otherwise. Okay. So that's what I'll be looking at. And this is a good spot to actually buy US 100, right? US 100. So that is that for that. So the last one is what? Is gold. Remember, guys, I'm just sharing my bias. Just sharing my bias with you guys. This is what I'll be looking to do this week. Okay. So let's do gold. XAUUSD. XAUUSD. Gold. Beautiful. Beautiful. So gold has been screaming. Gold has been screaming. What do I mean by screaming? That's been going up. Yeah, it has been screaming. So now what do we have here? We have this sudden move. Don't be scared. Until this move breaks this point here, it will still buy. Until this move once it breaks this point here, it's selling, it's dropping. Down, it's not negotiable. It's dropping. But if it doesn't break this point here, hold on to buy bias. And I think on H1 we should see some. Okay, beautiful. So if you see, let me look at it structurally speaking from 15 minutes now. 15 should give me a structure. Okay. Then let me see 5 minutes. Let me see if I have structures on 5 minutes. Okay, yes, I have structures on 5 minutes. Beautiful. So if price comes to break this structure here, as little as this structure is, this is a microstructure. You don't know how powerful it is. If gold comes to break this 5-minute structure here, guys, trust me, long, non-negotiable, long gold. But if it fails to come and break this point, so it's possible for it to test this recency. That's if it hasn't tested it yet. Yeah, it's possible for it to test this recency zone. Once it tests this recency zone, price will drop. Price will still drop, something like that. So that's just my bias on these guys. So watch out this week. I'll be releasing a video this week in which we'll be talking about market sessions. I'll be going deep into market session. So watch out this week. You guys should keep the fire burning and make sure you see what you trade and you trade what you see this week. Okay. If you have any question for me, you can drop it on my Instagram. Yeah, drop it on my Instagram. I'm fully back now. I pray God help with the consistency now. I'm fully back now. I'll be sharing back to back. And and on Wednesdays, watch out on Wednesdays too. This analysis I've made, I'll be showing you how it's going on Wednesday. So that's how we'll be doing it. Thank you, everybody. Make sure you have a good week. And if you're yet to subscribe, like, comment, share your opinion, and okay, something like that. So bye, everybody.